What's going on, guys? Welcome to another one. This is my 2024 MT09. So I haven't really done a walk around of this bike. I know I've posted a few videos on me riding it, a few group rides, things like that, but I haven't really shown you what it looks like and what mods I've done to it. So yeah, here we are on this nice sunny day. And I finished off work for the day and thought it was too good to not come out and get on it and have a bit of a ride and do a bit of a walk around. So yeah, this is its current state. A few mods, subtle stuff, nothing over the top. But you can sort of see, well actually it was, yeah, day one. I had the exhaust delivered. Got the Kelpi Flanker full exhaust. So there's a section in the headers to put your O2 sensor. Just replace it and plug it into this one. What else? Tail tidy. Again, one of the other things I did straight away pretty much was get rid of that ugly, fender thing they had going on. Done that on all my bikes so far, so just cleans it up, makes it look nice. This sort of quad lock, which I don't use too often, to be honest. Maybe because of the rides I've been doing and things like that, but yeah, I haven't seen the need to. Well, sometimes I put my phone on it, but yeah, not all the time. The mirrors are new, so they came from AliExpress. They look really cool. Like if you look at the bike as a whole, the mirrors look sick. Look pretty aggressive from the front. But yeah, practicality, I'm not sure it's there. I think they're too small to be like properly usable. But yeah, I'm still trying to make up my mind on that, whether I like them or not. But yeah, we'll see what happens over the next few weeks. What else? Oh yeah, these things. So I got these knobby things installed, obviously to help me if I do drop it. Fingers crossed that doesn't happen. But yeah, just a bit of extra sort of insurance, and then yeah, I put these spool things on for a bike stand. And yeah, that's the bike. Well, I start it up for you so you can hear what the exhaust sounds like. Oh, we're in first. Better change that. So that's with the baffle in. I thought it was actually ridiculous with the baffle out, so definitely wasn't going to leave it out. I think on the website they say it changes it like 2 or 3 decibels or something, but yeah, I remember my first ride with the baffle in, it was just giving me a headache. So I'm like, if your bike's giving you a headache when you're riding it, you're not going to want to ride it. So sorted that out, popped the standard baffle in. But I think I've done enough yapping. Why don't we jump on and go for a bit of a cruise? Enjoy the weather a little bit. Oh yeah, this display is really cool. It's a bit dusty from being in the garage. Kind of don't want to scratch it, but that's all right. I'll get out of here. This can be the way. Oh, I just realized I forgot my earplugs. I mean, the baffle in is better, but it's still pretty loud. So I wanted to protect my hearing a little bit more and bought some earplugs off Amazon. They came with 2 different sets actually. It came with a race set, which was apparently like -26 decibels, and then like a street set, which was like -23. So yeah, probably just use the race set all the time, to be honest. Bit of extra hearing protection, seems like it's worth it to me. Not coming out, it's good. it is good. It feels so good. Get a few pops on those downshifts as well, which sounds sick. Where do we want to go? I guess we can cruise down here. A bit windy today, actually. I pretty much picked peak hour to come out. Heaps of traffic on the road at the moment, but it's not going to stop us from cruising. I don't want to do a U-turn and go back the other way, to be honest. Oh, I might go left up here and see where that takes me. Yeah, we'll do that. Oh. So I've been toying with the idea of starting my commuting to work, or starting to use the bike to commute to work. I'm a bit on the fence about it. Like, I want to, and it would be super easy for me to get in based on where I live in comparison to the city, but yeah, I don't know if I want to deal with the extra risk or not. Not sure it's worth it. Like, I'll be cool to be, you know, it'd be cool to ride in, and I'll be chilled riding in, but it's just, no, the concern is with, like, other drivers. You know, first thing in the morning, late at night, everyone's not super patient, so I'd need to be, like, hyper-focused the whole time. I mean, you always sort of got to be hyper-focused when you're riding a bike anyway, but I think more so if you're riding in peak hour traffic, so I don't know, it's something I'm still determining whether I do or not. I think, yeah, I don't know. I think I got to give it a crack. See what it's like, do it for a day or two and just ease in from there. See if I enjoy it or not. The other side of it is, like, I don't want to dress like a squid riding into the city every day. So I'd want to make sure that I'm gearing up, you know, leather jacket and then my Kevlar jeans or something like that. But then, do I just stay in those jeans and just wear like a different sort of top, or do I just take a change of clothes with me? Like, all of these logistics need to be sorted out, I think. I've never been down here in my life. I don't actually know where I am. Just cruising the Suburbia at the moment. Bit of a tour around. I'm sure I would go right here. Oh, that must be the road I was thinking of, yeah. I'll go right here. Yeah, peak hour traffic. It's a great time to be doing this. Oh well, it's probably something I'd have to get used to if I was going to be riding to work, as I just finished saying. Oh, the quick shifter on this thing is so good. So I haven't ridden a bike with a quick shifter before, and then I was out riding with a mate, and we're just gear shifting the other day, and he's like, "Are you using the clutch?" I'm like, "No, I don't think I am. Just pumping up with the foot and changing gears." It's just so quick. Listen to the pops. Come on. There they are. Where else can I cruise down? Do some more touring of Suburbia. I have no reason to. I don't have a destination in mind. I just wanted to get out because it was nice weather. Oh, maybe I'll go up to maybe, yeah, the main road and see what that's looking like. Maybe go from there. Or we just give way to everyone here. Definitely not as confident to do that. Probably would have been safer to do that though. You know what, maybe I call it here. I'm going to continue riding, but I'm going to end the video here. But yeah, that's what I've done to the bike so far. I don't really have any other plans to do anything to it, to be honest. I think I'm just going to enjoy the bike for what it is. Subtle mods are good, which I've already sort of accomplished, so yeah, outside of that, I think we'll just leave it as it is. Anyway, I'm going to navigate this traffic, but thanks for watching. If you want to see some more moto vlog type action, you know, make sure to like and subscribe and all those fun things. And yeah, hopefully I head out this weekend make a bit of a video of it, and just enjoy the weather. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.